Blessed, blessed, blessed. Star seed once again. Yeah, man. So, this topic here right now, we're gonna do part one and also we're gonna do part two. So, we're gonna start with part one. So, here we go. Ladies, yes, you love your man and your man love you, right? And you not do certain things out of road for say, for hurt your man. You understand? But certain little things where you do, even though you might not do anything, but it's like you are trying to make your man feel jealous, or you are trying to make your man feel that way. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because what you're doing is you're putting certain fake information in your man's brain. Maybe you're doing it because to you it make you feel like it make him want you more. You understand? But it's the opposite you're doing. You're putting in certain information in his brain to make him start to feel insecure. You see what I mean? And you don't want your man feel like that. That's why some man, them start act a different way. And some man, that's how them start want to run road. Meaning go out there. You understand? So you have to pay attention, ladies, what you're doing. There is many other ways you can do things to make your man excited. Plan a little thing, just make your move, just do the little things make your man, as him leave work, him run home. Yeah. I know him have a loving woman. Yeah. You know what I mean? You know the things and you have to make your man feel comfortable in every way. And the things that you do will take him away from even wanna think twice. You know what I mean? So just look into these type of things, ladies, and trust me, it will definitely work. I understand what I'm saying. And yeah, right about now I'm gonna come up with part two. This is for the man them. So including myself, you know what I mean, talking in general. So blessed once again, this is Starseed and I'm out until then.